everybody. Today is the greatest day of my favorite story is The Family of Parrots. So you never see that on the story I tell you before. It's before we tell the story, I will say to you all the animal of this story: the parrot, the princess, the snake, the monkey, and the crow. So let's start to begin our story. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a family of parrots. The mother parrot had laid eggs in her nest. One day, the parrots said to each other, "Winter season is around the corner. Let's collect food for feeding Maria." The birds fly such a food. A snake under a tree heard the parrot speak. The snake said, "Let me feast on the eggs while they are sown." The snake climbed on the tree and looked at the eggs with an evil beak and started to eat them until there's no more eggs. Then the parrot come back and they so excited to see a big sight of that. So they start to cry with the hook, and now no baby parrots came out of their eggs. Then a monkey comes and said to the parrot, "Sad to see the broken tear. Tell me what, I'm all ear." The parrot says to the monkey, "Why were we such a fool? The snake climbed out of the tree and eat the eggs with the hood." The monkey felt sad and asked the snake, "Why did you eat the eggs or in a nest?" The snake was mean-minded, hissed and snapped the monkey. The snake said, "How dare you? Crush me line once more and I will fight you." The monkey sit all sad with the parrot. Monkey got an idea. Monkey calls a crow. "Caw, caw, caw," and reads what happened of the parrot and the snake. The crow said, "Caw, caw, I need more to get that really that mean snake. Caw, caw." And the snake flies to the castle and see the princess was taking a shower. And the crow swoops down and grabs the jewel and flies to the snake's burrow. The maid of the princess notices and shouts to the guard, "Crow geese, stole the jewel! Catch, catch!" The guard was so angry and he catch up the crow. The crow put the jewel in the snake's burrow and fly on the tree. The snake wake up and felt something on his neck. The snake said, "Wow, this is a lovely jewel." Then the guard said to the snake to hang back the jewel. The snake said, "This is mine." Finally, and loses and weakest again. Na 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 na. The guard was so angry to beat deep. Bong! And the guard take back the jewel to the castle. The monkey and the crow is happening, and the parrots are happy too. The parrot and the crow sings the monkey and the crow for their mean help and live after with her children. The end. Thank you guys for watching my video and subscribe for my channel, and goodbye!